Happy Sunday, y'all. Today was a great day. I went to church and my baby sung his first solo today. Well, it wasn't a solo, he had a part in the song. The first song, little boy you're gonna see is his little friend Man Man, and the second one is my Ray Ray. They play good ball, but they serve in the church too. Well done, well done.
I feel